Hello guys, this video I will show you how to deposit to Coinexchange and how to deposit to Wealthtrade. Okay, to deposit to Coinexchange, you must be have a Bitcoin wallet, Ethernet wallet, Neteller wallet and Skrill wallet. So now I will show you about how to deposit Coinexchange with Neteller wallet and Skrill wallet too. Okay, let's start together. The first time you must be logged into your Coinexchange account and click on here, and then click on transfer information. Okay, you must be create for the Skrill or for the Neteller transfer information. Okay, create. Yes, this is have 4 options: Bitcoin, Internet, Neteller and Skrill. Okay, now I will show you about Neteller. Okay, Neteller title, Neteller wallet, and your email, cherrysmith@gmail.com. Okay, so the email you can put Neteller email or you can put your phone number and detail. Okay, and detail it is important for you. You must be copy Neteller ID or Neteller email in detail, because when you withdraw, Coinexchange will be send the balance that you want to withdraw to your wallet, your Neteller wallet or your Skrill wallet or your Bitcoin wallet. Okay, now go to Neteller, click account. Okay, this is my account ID. Copy it. Okay, pass here. This is my account ID. When you withdraw, the Coinexchange will be send your balance that you want to withdraw to this wallet ID. Okay, and for Skrill or for Bitcoin, for Internet, same, we can do like that. Okay, and now click create. Okay, now you have Neteller wallet, that is a transfer information. It means this is linked to your Neteller account. Okay, so now you can do deposit right now. To be deposit, you must be go to form and click on deposit. Okay, in here have 4 option too. It is Bitcoin wallet, Internet wallet, Neteller wallet and Skrill wallet. Okay, now I use Neteller wallet and I check my balance. My balance was $5.78, so maybe I deposit 5.50. And for transfer info is Neteller wallet. If you have my Neteller, you can create Neteller transfer info, so you can choose which one that you want. Okay, transfer to Neteller, it means yes, this is the ID that we must be copy this ID and send your money you want to. Okay, $5.50. Okay, copy this ID and you can pass in here. Okay, but the first time you must be make deposit first. You need security code. Yes, the security code is the important that we use for transaction, for our transaction in Coinexchange. If anyone know your security ID, that means your Coinexchange account is not security. Okay, now you can deposit 50.5. Okay, now I just 50. Okay, because my balance so low. Okay, now don't forget screenshot this invoice for the confirm to the Coinexchange supporter. Okay, this is you can use with Telegram. Okay, now I'm screenshot it. Okay, already, and then you can check history. Okay, this is the amount that I deposit $5, but if you check in dashboard, it not yet got $5. So we must be go to Neteller account and send money to the this account ID. Okay, now go to money transfer and send money to the email or ID. Okay, sorry, copy it again and paste in here. Oh, sorry, this is security code. Okay, continue. Oh, security ID you enter is incorrect. Okay, that's correct. Okay, this is a transfer detail. Use email or use this ID. Oh, not valid. If not valid, you can copy this email coinexchange.info@gmail.com. Okay, and pass in here amount $5, currency USD dollar. Okay, now you can message I was deposit to Coinexchange. Okay, continue. Okay, this is the processing fee. Okay, oh, so expensive with Neteller. If with Skrill, it's cheap than Neteller. Okay, now we can continue. Okay, already. Now I screenshot this invoice and send to Coinexchange supporter. Okay, invoice. Okay, save. Okay, now go to Coinexchange, check our report history. Okay, this is our transaction. Now that receipt, you can upload the invoice that we can do transaction before. Okay, I find my invoice. Okay, this is my invoice. Update. Okay, already. Now we are waiting for the Coinexchange supporter to check our transaction, and our balance will be here for $5. Okay, now wait. Okay, now you can see the amount $5 in here. Okay, Neteller. So you can check in history too. Okay, this is status. Okay, complete. Okay, now our transaction was deposited in Neteller wallet in Coinexchange. So to deposit in this Wealthtrade, you must be convert it to USDC first. Okay, so now click here Okay, click here and you can see amount, and then you must be change to USDC wallet. Okay, I will change to USDC wallet. Okay, cannot. Okay, 4.95. Okay, for $5 it charge 5 cent. For sorry, $5 it charge was 15 cent for for convert. Okay, after that you can submit. You want to make a change? Okay. Okay, now you already convert to USDC wallet. Okay, after that it is so easy to deposit in Wealthtrade account. So this is your Wealthtrade account. Okay, now I will show you how to make deposit from Coinexchange. Okay, now click money and click deposit. It has two options for wallet: US wallet and Coinexchange. Now we use Coinexchange. So in here you must be put the email of Coinexchange, Charles Smith, and this is the secure ID. It's not secure ID of the Coinexchange, but it is the secure ID for Wealthtrade. Wealthtrade have a pin code when you create an account, so you must be put it in here. Okay, this is amount of your deposit, $4.85. Okay, $4.85. OTP it means after you complete amount and security ID and your email address, and you can click get off, and it will user can use only one email for transfer. Okay, so it cannot deposit with this account, so maybe I change my account. Okay, I log out first and I log in with other account. Fuji selfie 3 and password. Okay, because it can let us only one account for deposit one Coinexchange, so I must be change it. Okay, $4.85 off. Okay, get email. Okay, wait a minute. Okay, please check your email address to get off. Okay, in here refresh your email. Okay, this is Wealthtrade transfer OTP. Copy this code and pass in here. Okay, deposit. Okay, now already it was deposited in your wallet account. So if you want to be deposit to your trading account, you can click account and account list. Okay, this is not yet open live account for trading, so if you don't have live account for trading, you can click on this button. Okay, add live account, your password 3, add. Okay, this is my account, my ID number, and now you can log in trade. Oh, my internet very slow. Okay, now okay, this is your account number that already logged into trade, but this is your amount of your balance for trading, but it's not yet deposit. So I will come back here, go back to to this account. I will deposit here to this balance. Okay, now click account and account list, and after you create your live account, you can click on button agent and internal transfer. Okay, I will put in $1.85, and this is the pin code. Okay, and then click transfer. Okay, now this wallet is 00, and you can check on your live account. Okay, 4.8. Okay, now check here, refresh. Okay, $4.85. Okay, now you can start trading. Okay, now I will also try to trade for testing for you. Okay, that all of time. Okay, thank you for your watching. But if you want to deposit with Skrill account, okay, follow the step of the deposit with Neteller account. It's same. Okay, thank you.